Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto this channel of it. Hey, that's going Google, man. I've just finished. I just finished watching a video, face to face. Check out this video and then we'll talk.
Awusiyamanje zikhiphani kahle kahle manje kusisteri kunomunye uchomo wakhe ulindele nathi labantu laba manje they more than friends you know very well ukuthi ngiyamthanda umfana waye bungayekeli lo nto leyo lento leseyingidina kakhulu manje ilini mangingena ngimthola nje benilele nenzani how now impo
Hey, guys, hey. Make sure that you check the full episode. I also got it namla. I know go illegal. Nami ngithole khona la ku YouTube. Is it though? I don't know. But I'll also put the link to the page that I also watched this episode Giyo. So that was just a trailer. So what happened on that video is Shuti Umduduzi is the one who wrote to the show. He was currently seeing a girl to Umpo, and he was also suspecting that Umpo and her female friend, they are not just friends. There's more to it than what meets the eye, because he also mentioned in that he once found them in bed. Boituge, and it was strange for Abangani to be found in bed the way that he kind of found them. I understand. Yes, we do share in bed with our friends, but none ogunye kuyaphinda kuhluke nane context, because ogunye futhi that's not the only thing that Umdu apparently says it was off with the friendship Kampo and this girl ekuthiwa Ulindelo. So he saw a lot of signs ukuthi no, something is actually beating the waters. That's why he wrote to the show to find out and to be able to confront Ubani, to confront Umpo. Okay, firstly they went to go and ask the girl who Umpo is said to be good on suspicious activities with, or her friend or whatever. The girl, I don't want to lie to you, she was off the top road. Beirut, understand? Beirut. For no damn reason. But first, that which let me put that out there. Sikbeke nje sazi sonke anikhulisiwe nena kahle aninayo nje inhlonipho nje period. Even though as much as throughout the episode we did end up finding out ukuthi kahle Umpo and Ulindelwa started dating before Umpo ended up seeing Umduduzi. So it could also kind of make sense ukuthi this girl Ulindela does not like Umdu, obviously, because even Umdu did mention ukuthi lentuzana Ulindela vele yena bekamthandisisi. She never approved of a relationship Kampo noMduduzi. Umdu said that. So I don't know if nalokho sekuphinde kusteme from that ukuthi she was being rude towards Umduduzi because Umduduzi has what she does not have. The obvious. So they end up going to meet up with the Ulindola, that girl avuma ukuthi yena something is happening between her and Umpo, and then they end up meeting up with Umpo. Umpo nje at first yena nje avela deny. Even though Alfie was like, if denial was a person, ulo sislo. Okay, did not say that verbatim, but yeah. Umpo apige Umpo. Next thing into singibhora manje Umpo sezenza victim. Because now Umtu is telling ulentuzana ukuthi Ulindelwa did allude ukuthi something is happening between the two of them. Now Umpo yena usefukuzenza victim. Otone nesenikhuluma emaceleni. You're talking behind my back. Sekuyeka manje victim la guys. Uyi victim yena kenzanga lutho bayamsukela nkosami and bayamhleba. Ngane yenkosi. Like I'm like, what the fuck? This is not about you. You are the one who's wrong here. Next thing khona la ebesethu girl yena akakwazi ukupretend, awukwazi ukupretenda. You've been dating this guy for a very, very long time. Wenzani, and you never told him anything. And throughout the show, you'll even find out Lo Mpho is actually in love with this girl. Because she ended up choosing the girl over Umtu. So who was pretending throughout Sonke Lesikhathi? Not so long ago, weren't you the one who was denying? Weren't you the one who was also denying? When you're just childhood friends. Ubani ke manje la islim. Umntu even asked that. Kuthi show ngahlahla wena shothi bungenza istupid. Bungenza istupid. Umpho phela manje say victim yena, uyasukelwa, uqanjelwa amanga, yena akakhona ukupretenda, yena nje. The nice thing is that ngize ngasho naphakathi uyalaleka nayo lindelo wakhona. It serves the right because ube rude komunye. Nanga umpho siyamphika ngaphakathi. Even with her behlele ekareni beno lentuzana beno Alf, she was like hayi nayi lento ngathi siyamthusa because now akasa understand ukuthi why umpho ezomphika phambi komuntu wakhe. Ekubeni shuthi bona they had spoken ukuthi bona they having bapusha into solid. Next thing abe join uAlf no Lindela again be join. Next thing ugele usekhaneke manje seqala seya admit ukuthi yena they've actually been seeing each other way before Umduke and her ever pursued into yabo and stuff like that. Wrong leyo nto. And another thing that they also said nginyanyise abjele episode mina uGeslatha ngikwazi but ngisengibonile uGeslatha yini ngangibuza uthi yini enginyanyise kakhulu lento ukuthi thina besifuna ukuthi azibonele. Do you all know how dangerous that is? Do you all know how dangerous it is to do into enjalo? It is different to tell umuntu ukuthi ish yazi kwenzeka ukuthi than for that person to see leyo nto. Akufani. Engakwata vele manimtshela. But into uyokwata kakhulu mangayibonela that same thing. Ananimazi ukuthi lo muntu uyenzani. Animazi lo muntu uzonenzani. It was very careless and stupid and useless and yo yazi bangibhore i-rate HPV ingakanani la South Africa bafethu. Ingakanani i-rate HPV la South Africa. If umntu decided ukuthi ababulale or do something to them bekuzothi one. Because nina bafethu you like doing things without even thinking ukuthi ama consequences akhona azobanjani. Anifuni futhi nini ukuthi manicabanga izinto ngiyabona ke nokuthi anifuni ukucabanga izinto through nina anifuni nje nokucabanga at all. Anifuni nje nokucabanga at all. Umntu if he did something kibo or one of them kwakuzowenziwani kwakuyothiwani. Abethi umntu uyo bezobe wrong. As much as ukuthi umntu naye must also be able to control himself, is it the same thing that he did here? Because it also did not make sense game ukuthi yes ulinde ulona umpho is saying that umntu is violent, you can't really tell him anything, of which I don't believe that. I think she was only saying that just ukuthi azama ukuzifihla yena, azama ukusebenzisa lento as excuse ukuthi athena umntu uba violent masumtshela yabo if umntu eba violent bezokusho from the get go lokho. And it doesn't make sense. The same person violent, umuntu obhalele kwi show ezofuna usizo. This person ebengakhona ukunithatha that same time ekuthatha kontrol ekamereni, that same time embhedeni wakhe anibhambabule ngenduku anenze ukuthi nimutshele ukuthi kwenzakalani. That's a violent person. A violent person mina I don't think he was going to even write to the show. I don't. Yekani lento, stop this thing yokuthi nifuna umuntu azazibonele, nifuna umuntu azaze azibonele. Nizolimala. Yes.